This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 66 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This time we've got a roll bar, which we're not fitting. I can put that aside for later. We've got a heater box, apparently, which we've got to install using a couple of these screws. But it looks like it's all out of sequence. Because as far as I can tell from the instructions, which I'll put the picture up in the corner there, it's got to go in here. It's got it going in from here, but obviously you can't put it in from there because there's a bracket in the way. So it would go underneath in there like that. And it does line up with these two posts there. And it will sort of push in place. Obviously the screws will hold that in place there. So it goes in and you can't really see it from the inside there. But you can't get to put the screws in because of this whole outside piece that's there. So it feels like we should have put this on back in the day before we, got all of this together. But that's going to go on there basically like that. And I shall try it, and it's at a dodgy angle. You can't actually get to the angle of that. So I might have to disassemble this to take that off to get that back in place on there. Or I might give up and just glue that onto the posts there instead. It's quite secure, and that's going to be much easier than trying to get it all apart and trying to put screws in. It just seems strange. We should have done that before we put this onto there. But yeah, I'm going to glue it in place after doing that. So I'll get a couple of little drops of glue, put them in there, and then hold that onto there like so. So that's the building done. Even less screwing than you thought there was going to be. What I'll do, I'll get that done. I'll put it out the way. And then I shall bring in the magazine and we'll have a look through at this month's pack. Right, so this is volume 17 of the Eleanor build. Let's have a look through. Obviously, we've done all the building parts of it now, so that will be new, not news to us. Back of, let's see what it is, rear seat back and rear seat back panel. So yeah, here's the rear seat back and the side. And the top of the side, and the bit that I've just done different to how they say to do it, because I don't know, I can't really make it out on the black, but it looks like that's higher on there than it is on mine, but I'm happy with how mine's gone together. So we've got two legends face to face from the original Gone in 60 Seconds, and then Tumblr, Arrogance of Youth, the more recent version. Good stuff. The files, obviously, again from the filming, and then the cars with women's names. Grace is a 2000 Rolls-Royce Park Ward limousine. Yeah, big limo, Rolls-Royce, good stuff. Grace, we've got Virginia. What's that? A 1988 Porsche 959. Yeah, that's the normal Porsche that I've always liked. Quite nice. Definitely got a good lines to that one. Don't know about fuel economy or anything else or practicality, but there we go. And then looking at classic Mustangs, we've got the Ford Mustang 5.0 GT. Not sure about it in a convertible, but there you go. So yes, next time, what have we got there? Bits that I can't tell what they are. Probably the rear seat by the looks of it. and some more fitting parts and a steering wheel by the looks of that one. So yeah, more interior stuff next time. I want to get on with the panels. I like the panels. I like the outside bit. But not for another month or two. Right, let's forget about this. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.